Are you struggling to stay afloat with all those bills and debt? Let's dive into a simple, effective plan to manage your money and live debt-free. Hey there, finance freedom fighters. If it is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and give us a thumb up to stay updated on our journey to financial freedom. Today, we're introducing a straightforward debt-free spending plan to help you manage your money and crush debt. Ready to transform your financial life? Let's get started. Allocate money for bills and daily needs. First, let's allocate money for essential bills and daily needs like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportations. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline. 50% of your income goes to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Create a monthly budget. List all your essential expenses. Make sure they don't exceed 50% of your income. Next, create a bill payment plan to never miss a payment. List all your bills, the due date, and amounts owed. Set reminder a few days before each due date to avoid late fees. Automate payments for adding convenience. Make this a monthly routine to stay on top of your finances. Actionable steps. Set up calendar reminders. Use your phone or a planner to set reminders for bill payments. Plan for daily expenses. Planning for daily expenses helps curb impulse spending. Create a weekly or monthly plan for groceries, transportations, and other daily costs. Stick to your shopping list and track spending daily to stay within your budget. This stretches your dollars further. Actionable steps? Make a weekly grocery list. Plan meals for the week and create a grocery list based on your meal plan. Track daily spending. Write down every expenses daily to monitor your spending habits. Next, allocate money as it comes in. As money comes in, allocate it to different categories: bills, daily needs, savings, and debt repayment. This ensures every dollar has a purpose and avoids overspending on non-essentials. Actionable steps? Use the envelope system. Divide physical cash or create digital envelopes using budgeting apps. Next, create a debt repayment plan. Paying off debt without hurting living expenses is the key. List your debt. Write down all your debt, the interest rate, the minimum payments. Follow the slow ball method. Focus any extra money on paying off the smallest debt first. Once paid, move on to the next smaller. This slow ball method is super effective and motivating. Next, allocate money for fun and projects. It's important to have fun for things you love. Allocate a portion of your income to hobbies, fun activities, and personal projects. Even if it is only $10 a week, it adds up after a month or 3. This ensures you treat yourself and have fun without feeling guilty. Balance the key to a happy, debt-free life. Next, review and adjust regularly. At the end of each month, assess your spending and adjust your budget as needed. This helps keep your finances on track and prepares you from any unexpected changes. Adjust as necessary. Based on your review, adjust and budget categories to reflect any changes in your situation. Excited for more tips? Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll share strategies to boost your savings without feeling deprived. Now, for the fun part, my money hero, this week, start by creating your own debt-free spending plan. List all your bills and daily needs, plan for daily expenses, and create a bill-paying schedule. Locate your income as it comes in and set up your debt repayment plan. Don't forget to allocate some money for fun and projects. Review this plan monthly to track your progress. You've got this? Need some inspiration? Meet Sarah, who was overwhelmed with debt. By using our plan, she paid off 3 credit cards in a year and still had fun. Sarah's story shows that with a clear plan and dedication, financial freedom is within reach. Before we go, here's a joke to brighten your day. Why did the banker break up with the calendar? She felt he was just adding unnecessary complexity to her life. Each step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Stick to your plan and watch your debt disappear. Share your triumphs in the comments section below, and don't forget to check out our next video, how to get out of debt. Until next time, embrace your financial journey and save big. Bye for now.